To create a table in Google Sheets, start by opening your Google Sheets document and selecting the range of cells where you want to create the table. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse to highlight the cells. Next, go to the Insert menu and select Table, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-T on a Windows computer or Command-T on a Mac. This will automatically create a table with the selected range of cells. You can also create a table by going to the Format menu and selecting Format as Table, then choosing a style from the range of pre-designed table formats. To add data to your table, simply type into the cells, or copy and paste data from another source. You can also use formulas and functions to automatically populate your table with data. To customize your table, you can use the various options in the Format tab, such as changing the font, color, and alignment of the text, as well as adding borders and shading to the cells. To add or remove rows and columns from your table, use the Insert or Delete options in the right-click menu, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+Shift+sign to insert a new row, or Ctrl-sign to delete a row. To sort and filter data in your table, use the Sort and Filter options in the Data menu, or use the filter buttons at the top of each column to quickly filter the data. Best practices for creating tables in Google Sheets include keeping your table organized and easy to read, using clear and descriptive headers, and avoiding unnecessary complexity. By following these steps and tips, you can create effective and useful tables in Google Sheets to help you organize and analyze your data.